Hello ladies and gentlemen. So where am I today? I'm at Newton Abbot. I've just arrived at the train station. So that's where I came in, mainline train, and I'm going to walk into town. So on our left here we have Courtenay Park, so if you want your picnic, a big open space. I think I covered that in a previous video, but we're literally going to walk up Queen Street. Newton Abbot, a really popular Devon market town. Let's try and cross here without getting run down. Queen's Gate, this used to be a hotel. It's now retirement apartments, I would suggest. So a busy old road this, but we'll get to a bit that isn't, and if you've watched one of my previous videos, you'll know I'm talking about Queen Street. So this is a good time to ask, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe. I know loads of people watch my videos and don't subscribe. I always try to do some good Devon updates. So if you're interested in Devon travel and visits and the like, then please do drop me a subscribe. Who knows where I'll be next. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk all the way up into town. It's probably only about a 10-minute walk. But you'll see the changes that have taken place. This is what's commonly known as Takeaway Alley, and that's because on a Friday night, Saturday night, it's rather busy. KFCs, Chinese, burgers, Thai, Indian restaurants, kebabs, Chinese, they're all down this road. This busy road, I would add. Now it's directing you as a car to the right. We're not going to go right, we're going to go straight on up Queen Street. So you can see what you get at this rather Devon market town, I would add. I wonder if you've been to Newton now, but there's lots of changes taking place here. There's a new market hall, and that's where we will end up. So do keep watching to the end there, because I don't think that's open yet. It is pretty much ready to go, it looks like to me, but not open yet. Lovely to see all the planters out, and they've done lots of work making the town look pretty, which is nice. And look over there, nice borders. Oh, another Indian restaurant there. So we're now going to head up Queen Street, and this, they spent quite a few million on this a couple of years ago. I did cover it in a previous, an earlier video, but we'll walk up it so you can see what it's like. You can immediately see the pavements are getting better, shall we say. They're wider, which is what they wanted to do, and cars will be less welcome, shall we say, the higher up Queen Street that we go, which I think is, let's be honest, is a good thing. But at the time I don't think was well appreciated.
It's lovely in summer, isn't it?
It is a lovely warm day in Newton Abbot. I should say it's a Saturday in June. So it's what, mid-morning I would suggest. Yeah, it's about 10:30 in the morning. So it's good to see people out and about. This on our right here, I-Town, that used to be an Argos. Turkish barbers, hasn't every town got? They've got those now. Physios, vape store, restaurants, trophy shop, nice coffee shop ahead of you. Coffee couture. And this on our left here, this big church here, is actually a solicitor's. Woolacombe Beer Watts. So, and these are, we're beginning to get some of the enhancements now. The old chap sat on the bench there. Now the Queen Street used to be like this with parking all up the side. Not anymore, as you can see from the sign, all routes to your right. And that's simply because straight on is a pedestrian and cycle friendly zone. Unless you're a permit holder, loading, etc, etc. This was supposed to attract more businesses to the town and make it more pedestrian friendly. I can't obviously tell you whether businesses are more profitable, but it does feel a nicer ambiance. Gosh, sorry for the wind now, it's picked up. I hope that's not disturbing the sound too much, but you can see cars have disappeared past the obligatory Wetherspoons on our left. So there's a big loading bay here. So they spent a couple of years ago now, I would say $2 million. I'll put in the comments how much was actually spent, but it was a fair bit of money. From what I've seen of the gardening back there, it's nice to have some colour.
Oh, I never smelled that. Oh.
And we've got your urban planters here with grass in them and some trees. A few benches, but yeah, I mean, it's certainly made. Oh, we've gone past a few closed shops. There's one there and there's one over there which isn't ideal, but obligatory charity shops. But we're coming up here to Courtenay Street, so the end of Queen Street. So that's the end of the sort of mixed bit, and it's taken us what, 5-10 minutes. So if you're in Devon on holiday and want somewhere to come for a day out, it's worthwhile coming to Newton Abbot.
I'd never have guessed that.
It's on a Saturday morning, so the market, as I said, we're going to end at the market hall, but in this instance we'll go up through the market, which has come onto the main street, so you can see what that's like. But it's good to see the town busy. These summer 2026, these are interesting times, I think, for businesses, it has to be said. So it's good to see people out and about. There's toy cars on the market, fresh eggs. Oh, that's a nice smell. Burgers, garden, bedding plants. Lovely colour, nice smell actually to walk past there. And this goes further on, all the shops, Smith's, Drug, Superdrug, H. Samuel, big department store, Austin's. But we're going to turn on to Market Walk, because as promised we're going to end at the new market. This is Newton Abbot Shopping Centre. Interesting enough, this is Viggers here, that was on Queen Street and has moved. So nice butchers. The works. Oh, empty shop. A Clark's and New Look. cotton traders. This is only recently opened, I believe. And here we go, ahead of us is the new market hall. Again, a lot of money's been spent on this. It does say opening in spring 2026. I don't know why it's late, because June 2026 to my mind is summer. But it does look, from the outside, look very nice. This is the market square. They've obviously done all the planters and the seating area and the like. This was Wilco's here, obviously closed. But what we're going to do is, just so you can see inside, there we go, there's the market. To me, that looks ready to rock, apart from the moving the stall holders in and the like. Apparently this is going to be food, so I'm led to believe. It's got upstairs and a downstairs, but yeah, looks very nice. There we go, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you can, drop me a like, that'd be most appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can, again, it costs you nothing and helps me enormously. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Bye bye.